Welcome guys, and in this video I'll show you how to make origami rose. As you can see, this is a very nice model. So if you don't want to miss any steps, so make sure to watch till the end, and I hope you will like this tutorial. So to make an origami rose, first step is that you blank side up and take this line and align it till there. Crease, open it up, turn it by 45 degrees, and then crease, open it up. After you have done this step, the next step is turn it over and I will do a zoom out. Okay, so from till this point fold. After you have done this step, open it up, turn it by 45 degrees, and align up from point to point. Smear crease like this. After you have completed this step, the next step is to open it up, turn over the sheet, pinch it, and make a crane base. To make an origami crane base, you will take this line and this line, align up in the middle like this, and you will close it. So here is your origami crane base. After you have completed this step, the next step is to take this line and align up in the middle. Like this, and take this line, align up in the middle. Like this. After you have completed this step, the next step is to open the pieces, open the flap, and tuck this inside. Tuck the sides inside. Crease them from the sides and close it. After you have complete this step, we have to do the same steps on the back side. After you have completed this step, the next step is crease it upwards, and then what you need to do, you can see the line here. You need to crease it like this, and what you will do, you will take this line and align up from here to this line. This line, you will take this line and align up it till there, like this, and from here and this part you will crease it, and you will do this with all four sides, first, second, third and fourth here. hope you are enjoying my tutorial. So if you do, so make sure to give a like, subscribe and share. Okay, so after you complete this step, now after you've creased from this side, and now you'll do it from this side. So after you have completed this step, all of the sides are creased. Then what you need to do, you will take this side, the first side, and you can start this step from any side you want. I'm starting from here. So first this one. Then what you need to do, you will hold this here till here, and you will align up this one like this. You hold it here, and the second side same, and the fourth side same like this. After you have completed this step, you will make like a curve shape for all of the sides. You will crease it, and now what you need to do, you have 4 petals. Actually, under the petals, these will be the petals, and under them, no, these will be the petals here. Sorry, these will be sepals. So from this point to that point, you will crease this, and from this point to here, that point, and you will do this with all the sides. After you complete this step, the next step is what you need to do. You put this on your hand and you start to twist it like this. After you have twisted it a little bit, now the next step is you will take a pencil. Pencil will be big for it, so I'll do this with the hand. I would suggest that you use a stick of the lollipop, and from that you can try to roll the petal like this. From here, from here, behind the scenes I have filled all of them. The next step is that you will keep twisting them. You will hold the tip of it and you will start to roll it like this. And this is how you make origami rose. Guys, if you like my tutorial, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.